In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create discount code SMS Klaviyo. To get started, you will be working inside your Klaviyo account, where you can build a coupon that you can later connect to your SMS or other campaigns. Before you click anything, make sure you are logged in and that you are on the main dashboard area, so you can follow along without getting lost. Now, go to the menu near the top of the screen and open the Content section. In many layouts, this is the place where coupons, templates, and other message content options are managed. Once you click Content, you should see a submenu that includes an option for coupons. Select Coupons so you can view the coupon tools and any coupons you have already created. After you open Coupons, look for an option that says Create Coupon. Depending on your interface, it might appear as a button, a link, or a command that starts the coupon creation flow. Click Create Coupon, or the equivalent option on your platform, and then you will be taken to a screen where you can set up the coupon details. This is the step where your discount code begins to take shape. Next, you will need to name the coupon. Find the field labeled something like Name or Coupon Name. Click into that area and type a clear name for your coupon. Use something that helps you recognize what the coupon is for later, especially if you plan to create more than one discount. For example, you can describe the offer type or the campaign it is connected to. Once you enter the name, keep an eye out for a confirmation style indicator, or simply make sure the text you typed remains visible in the name field. With the coupon named, you can now choose how the discount will work. On the same coupon setup page, you will see discount options. The instructions tell you to select fixed amount or percentage. This selection controls whether customers receive a set dollar amount off, or a discount calculated as a percentage of their total. First, consider fixed amount. When you select fixed amount, the system will let you enter a specific value, like a set amount off. This is useful when you want the discount to be consistent, regardless of how much someone spends. On the other hand, selecting percentage allows the discount to scale based on the order value. For example, a percentage discount is calculated from the cart total, which can be better when you want larger orders to receive larger discounts automatically. For this setup, you should choose either fixed amount or percentage, exactly as your instructions specify. Take a moment to confirm you are selecting the correct option type before you move on, because switching between them after saving can require extra adjustments. Once you have selected the discount type, the final part of this process is to save your work. Look for a Save button, or a button that confirms the coupon creation settings. Click Save, and wait briefly for the system to finish processing. After saving, you should be able to see that the coupon now exists within your coupon list, and it will be available for use when you create or send your campaign. After you see the coupon saved successfully, take one quick moment to ensure everything looks right on the coupon entry. Check that the name appears as you typed it, and confirm that the discount type you selected matches your intended setup. This small verification helps prevent issues later when customers try to use the code. And that covers the essential flow for creating a coupon in Klaviyo. Open Content, go to Coupons, click Create Coupon, name it, choose fixed amount or percentage, and then save. And that is all there is to it.